So hey guys, how are you? Welcome to our channel Tech Matrix, and today in this video we will be looking a demo into the Kali Linux. Now Kali Linux is an Linux based operating system as its name says, and uh, mostly all the Linux operating system which come into the market are open source only. So I have opened the official page of Kali Linux, and from this you can install the Kali Linux directly onto your system. So there are two options as it says in the website. As you can see, it's either one will be the installer image and the next is the virtual machine. So first one is like it will download one of your ISO file which is around 4 GB, and you can use it in your VMware or you can say virtual machine what you have created a snapshot, which I can say a hardware part that you can install there, and another part will be a virtual machine which will be a pre-built image, and you can uh, host that OS into your system without any problem. So I have this first option, that is the installer image, and I'll show you by logging in into the Kali Linux, and you can see how it looks on the first start. So without wasting that video or without wasting the time, let's start guys. So once you download the ISO image into your local system, it will be around 4 GB ISO file, and you have to create a VMware workstation. So this is the workstation 17 player which I have used, and you can use any another which you have or lower version. Okay, and you have to create an instance, right? So instance is the combination of your operating system, that is the ISO image, and the hardware part, like what RAM you are providing and what type of storage you are providing. Like for now, if I go into this, so I have selected a Linux you can say kernel with 64-bit, and here you can see I have provided a RAM of 8 GB, and I have provided the storage of you can say 50 GB, right? So if I go to this edit virtual machine, you can see I have provided a RAM of 8 GB, processor 2, and hard disk capacity is of 50 GB, right? So this all things you can provide at the starting of setup whenever you are doing any setup, right? So you can provide all this configuration. Even you, if you have done it and you want to use extensively this Kali Linux, or you want a more memory add-on, you can expand it from this section as well. So this is the best part what I can show you in this video, and if you want that dedicated video like how I set it up from the scratch, I can show you that well also. So let's start our Kali Linux. Okay guys, so in order to start your operating system into VMware workstation, you have two options. First, at the top you can see power on, and at the bottom side you can see this play virtual machine. So you can start it from the either way, or you can also just right click on this image and you can do power on. Okay, so once you power on, it will take some time based on you system resource what you have, and you can see it's booting in once again. So it will load all the files at the background, and it will load the bootable files, and it will start your operating system. As you can see here, it's starting our Kali Linux, right? So let wait. It will give you a pop-up menu where it will ask you the user ID and the password, and this actually when you install or when you add your image into your VMware workstation player, it will ask you to set up this ID and password. And password you can skip also, but it's required like if you just add it, right? So I'll just log in here. Okay, sorry, I just provided the wrong name. So for now I provided just a very simple basic password, but make sure you provide a very strong password guys. Okay, so here's the first screen you can see of the Kali Linux. Let me expand it. So from this option you can enter the full screen mode, and here you can see I have entered the full screen mode of the Kali Linux, and here you can see the first look. It looks like all the whatever Linux I have used, like Ubuntu and another one, but like I have used the SUSE Linux, and that is only based on like terminals and all that, so it does not look like that also. But I think so that there is that part also, like it will come only in the terminal part, but now for I have set it up for the in the GUI version which you can see here, right? So here you can see it come with a pre-installed Firefox web browser, right? And these are the three icons which came OTB when I installed this image, right? Home, file system, and trash bin. On the right side you can see this power CPU usage monitor that looks very cool. First thought like it's a bit about like a Wi-Fi connection or like that or something different, but yeah, it gives a very good look about the CPU usage. Actually, this should be implemented in Windows operating system also. Like it will give you a very good, like in if you are using a Windows Server or Windows Server OS, so it come if heavy traffic comes or more load comes, it can give you a very good statics like in the front view of your screen. So it will be very helpful. This I liked it very much, guys. So here you can see it drastically increased, like it is increasing my CPU usage. I don't know why it's going at 39%. I don't know what that Kali is doing at the background, but yeah, let's okay. So first thing and the last, if I right click on this, you can see lot of chunks of command here, or you can say options here, like applications. If I go to application, so this operating system is uniquely designed for the penetration testing, right? So if you are into testing field, or you are into like cyber security, you are more into information gathering and testing it via a different type of medias and attacks, or you can use this operating system, and it's going to be boom in the market, I guess, because this operating system has lot of options and lot of packages we can add it and used for testing, right? Here you can see information gathering. It has lot of options: vulnerability analysis, right? Web application analysis, database assessment, password attacks, and many more, guys. There are many things, right? So here you can open the terminal also from here. So this is a true Linux operating system which I can say till now, and I don't know, I haven't used it much because I'm not using that much of a Linux operating systems, but I can say like yes, yeah, we have to learn this, or we have to get into this operating system at least for now, right? So here you can see a beautiful wallpaper here also. So if I go to this desktop settings, you can see it comes with some of the OTB wallpapers as well, and this is the, you can see all the type of wallpapers which it has been provided here, right? So let me just pause the video here a little bit. So and we will go further into this one Kali Linux operating system. And guys, if you are using any of this applications here, please do let me know in the comment, so we will look onto this more depth. So actually I have to go into deep on this, all the types of user CMS frameworks and identifications, is information gathering. So there are many things here which you can be very helpful in this Kali Linux. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please do let me know in the comment. So we will make more videos on this Kali Linux because I am too interested in this operating system. So thank you guys for your time. Take care and goodbye.